Rewrite the imaginary part of z minus I over z plus I equals 1 into Cartesian form and hence gets the locus. So, let z be equal to x plus iy since we're going to Cartesian form. Then z minus I over z plus I is going to be x plus iy minus I over x plus iy plus I. So that's x plus I, y minus 1, over x plus I, y plus 1. Now, we know how to deal with this situation. What we're going to do is multiply both the top and the bottom by the conjugate of the bottom. So that will be x minus I, y plus 1. And then on the bottom we've got x plus I, y plus 1, x minus I, y plus 1. And we've done this enough times to see that the bottom is just going to be x squared plus y plus 1 squared. On the top, expanding out, we get x squared plus I x y minus 1. Take away I x y plus 1. Take away I squared y minus 1 y plus 1. I squared is negative 1, so that's giving me x squared plus y minus 1 y plus 1 plus I into x y minus 1. Take away x y plus 1 all over x squared plus y plus 1 squared. Now we have the imaginary part of z minus I over z plus I is equal to 1. The imaginary part of this is x y minus 1, take away x y plus 1 over x squared plus y plus 1 squared, and that must be equal to 1. So we have xy take away x, take away xy, take away x is equal to x squared plus y plus 1 squared. So the xy's cancel here, and so we get negative 2x is x squared plus y plus 1 squared. So x squared plus 2x plus y plus 1 squared is equal to 0. Now if we complete the square on this bit, that's x plus 1 all squared, take away 1, plus y plus 1 squared is equal to 0. So x plus 1 squared plus y plus 1 squared is equal to 1. And this is a circle with the centre at negative 1, negative 1, and the radius equal to 1. So what we have is a circle, and we're going to have the axes, which is going to be like so. So we've got the real axis here and the imaginary axis here, and we know that this is at negative 1, and -1, and the radius is 1, and hence it's just touching the axis.